Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 affordable decor pieces that are absolutely essential for decorating a home. If you're doing any redecorating around your home or you're trying to pull it together with styling, this video is just for you because these items are things that you might not have thought about, but they really are essential for making a huge impact. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, let's start with one of my favorite items to include in almost every room, and that's a drink table. This drink table in particular is one of my favorites. It's from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. It comes in different colors, but it just has this beautiful tripod leg, and drink tables are petite enough to kind of float in a room, have them up beside a sofa or side chair, or float them between two chairs, and it doesn't bulk up your space. So the last thing you want to do is add too much furniture to a space. A drink table kind of does the opposite. It's like this little jewel piece in a space that really makes it more functional. It's the perfect size to put your mug or a glass down, and it acts as this sculptural moment. So it really can be a hero piece in every single space. You can use these in living rooms and family rooms. I even love the look of a drink table in a bathroom by a tub. You can even use these as a pedestal and style a beautiful vase or sculpture on top because it really is the same size as a pedestal. So I've done that behind me here in the living room. So it's the perfect accent piece that's going to add a pretty touch, but it's also going to add that extra functionality. Now, I'm sure you have a standard 18 by 18 or 20 by 20 throw pillow around your house somewhere. On your bed, on your sofa, on an accent chair, but think about incorporating lumbar pillows. These are essential for all of my decorating. I always make sure to include a lumbar pillow in sofa styling, bed styling, and accent chair styling. It really is the perfect addition to a square pillow. It offers that length, that balance, and that grounding point to a styled grouping. It can also be a beautiful standalone piece. It's a great way of integrating new color palettes, patterns, and it helps add that comfort into a space without it being too overwhelming and too bulky again. So in a bedroom, I would go for a size that's long like this so you can really span the length of your bed. This is the perfect finishing touch to any bedroom styling. Again, this can stand on its own or it can be layered into pillows to really ground the entire bed. If you already have square pillows like this around your home, add in a beautiful lumbar pillow and it will instantly give you a designer look. Another size and style pillow you need is a Euro pillow. These are 26 inches by 26 inches. They are pretty much the largest throw pillow you can get, and these are the perfect addition to any large bed or large sofa. By using Euro size pillows, you're really going to achieve that height and balance out your entire space. So I always include these in any bed styling because it really adds that height and fullness to your styling. On a sofa, Euro size pillows definitely give off this luxe elevated look. The size of them is a little unexpected and the scale really works with large size furniture like a sofa. So balancing this out with standard size pillows and lumbars is the perfect pairing. This is really what's going to make your space look super comfortable and inviting. Now, I always talk about how important lamp lighting is. It really creates a warm glow around your home. It brightens up your home, makes it feel really inviting. But also remember to include some task lighting and reading lights. These focused lights can look very architectural. They can be that added detail, just like a drink table, that adds this kind of jewel touch to your space. So you can mix metals, play with different finishes, and it will add this beautiful detail to your home. I love the way a floor task lamp can frame out a space, add some extra height, a beautiful sculptural look, and some functionality. You definitely see these in designer stores, but you can definitely get them on Amazon like mine. Task lamps are a lot more minimal and slim, so they can be added into your existing lighting. If you already have table lamps, if you have wall sconces, you can add this in as an additional piece. And again, it just creates another layer and detail to your space. Now, the key to home decorating and the key to making your home feel cozy and inviting is creating this curated look, finding all your favorite items over time and creating this homey feel. One item that can just instantly achieve that is a good quilt. Now, you can use quilts on every bed around your home, or lay them over a sofa. They can really come off as this heirloom vintage piece, even if they're brand new, and it just adds some beautiful texture, a handmade detail, and some pattern to your space. So I am loving quilts right now. I feel like they are the finishing touch to every space, and they really do make your home feel charming, inviting, and cozy. Now, my favorite way to make everyday items look and feel more beautiful is just simply putting those everyday items in a canister. This will create a cohesive look around any room of your home if you just simplify and put small items in canisters. These can sit on your countertop, look decorative, but also they're adding that storage and functionality. So this is where I keep my coffee beans. It's tight sealed, it comes with a little scoop, and I reach at this every single day, and there's something about it that just elevates my morning experience. So I do this with every item around my home, including bathroom supplies, laundry supplies, and kitchen supplies. I've been using this canister for my detergent pods. So it just hides those everyday items that you're gonna reach at, puts them in plain sight, but behind a beautiful decorative piece. So you can integrate these into every room of your home, maybe on your work desk, in your bedroom, maybe you need to store things on your nightstand. So I like to find canisters with different shapes that add a lot of interest. It can add this sculptural moment in your home, add a lot of height with your decorating, and I always choose them in color palettes that work with the rest of my home. So if you're choosing canisters, you can go with a clear glass, or you can go with a ceramic that's going to tie together your color palette. Now, rugs are essential for decorating every space around your home, including your exterior. If you're working on any patio decorating or front porch decor and you're styling furniture, include an outdoor rug. It's going to ground your furniture, it's really going to create a zone, and it's going to extend the feeling of your home. So you can walk right out and have soft comfort under your feet. It's really going to create this livable feeling outdoors. So when I'm choosing an outdoor rug, I'm always going for a similar style that I would use inside, because you really want that transition from inside to outside to be pretty seamless. Outdoor rugs are very easy to clean. You can just hose them down, and they really are durable. So I always include them underneath any kind of dining set, living room set, or any kind of lounge space outside. Every home needs decorative bowls. These are the perfect catch-all for those high traffic areas. You can style these on your countertop. If you notice everyone throws their keys in the same spot, mail gets piled there, use decorative bowls. These come in many different sizes, so you can use it for small items, but you can also use them for fruit. I consider decorative bowls like this a 2-in-1 piece. They really do give you some functionality and organization, but they're also the perfect decorative piece. So you can style these on coffee tables, on bookshelves and surfaces, really anywhere. I've thrifted little wood bowls like this. This helps tie together wood tones around my home. I style these in areas that also have darker wood just to tie it all together and add balance. And this nice stone bowl always adds a nice natural feel. You want to bring in natural materials as much as you can. So if you're searching for decor for around your home, make sure you pick up a beautiful decorative bowl. You could have many of these all around your home. You can buy them brand new, you can thrift them. You can definitely find these on a budget. Now, pinch plate curtains are definitely a must-have when styling your home. They're going to create this tailored look instantly. They are definitely a more elevated option as opposed to a grommet curtain or a rod pocket curtain. They allow you to use curtain hooks and curtain rings to really create this layered, intentional look, and they hang so nicely. So my favorites so far have been from Amazon. They're super affordable. I think I got a pair for $30, these ones behind me. They're light filtering, they're linen, and I love the way they hang in every single space. So I've been including these all around our home. They're definitely the best way of making your space feel elevated on a budget. If you already have all the furniture and styling, but something's missing, add pinch plate curtains in. It's gonna bring your eye up. It's gonna create this finished look that's going to elevate your home instantly. Lastly, if you want to make your home feel cozy, casual, but elevated, include floor baskets. Floor baskets are going to be that functional storage for you, but they're also going to add this beautiful warmth and texture to a flat space. So if you have more rigid, straight edge furniture and decor, add in a woven basket and it's going to instantly warm up your space. It's a great way of adding that natural texture back into your home while also giving you some extra storage. So if you have extra toys around the house, or you have a bunch of shoes at your door, extra throw blankets for guests, or even towels in a bathroom, they look perfect under console tables, nightstands, or even styled beside sofas. They can layer in nicely with side tables or drink tables, and they add in that extra layer that your space may need. So if you're trying to make your home feel more cozy and inviting, sometimes it's just those little details that do it. All right, so that's it for today's decor tips. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can start using around your home as well. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any of these decor items, and if there's anything from today's video that you have your eye on that you definitely need to get for your home as well. I'm gonna have all of my favorite items linked down below in the description box so you guys can shop them as well. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!